Baoni, we started a series talking about our vocabulary in Yoruba, building it with part of the body or body parts. And we picked Owo, because most of our words in Yoruba, they are derived from parts of the body, right? So then we say Owo, hand. And we said ni, Owo, which then gives you lower, because Ni in Yoruba is the same as L, right? So that's when you say ni aro in the morning, then you can then say laro, right? So ni owo will give you lower. Then what is lower? Lower means to have hand, right? But we then said in that video that more than just having hand, lower can mean immediate. Lower can be at the moment. Lower can be right now. So if I say, what are you doing now? Kí lò ń ṣe lọ́wọ́, or kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe lọ́wọ́, that means at the moment, this time. That in that video, we also said lọ́wọ́, nísìn, and báyìí, they are the same, but with slight difference. Like what you're doing at the moment is lower, but what you want to do cannot be lower. For example, if you say, I want to eat now, mo fẹ́ jẹun báyìí, or mo fẹ́ jẹun nísìn, you can't say mo fẹ́ jẹun lọ́wọ́. So lower is like immediate, like instant, what you're doing right now, lower. So you watch the video, then you get more understanding about that. But what I didn't add in that video is that you can then combine lower and báyìí. Kí lò ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ báyìí? What are you doing now? Kí lò ń ṣe báyìí lọ́wọ́? Kí lò ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ báyìí? So it depends, we are dramatic. Right? So we like to emphasize what we're doing with how we say it. Like, ṣé o máa lọ báyìí lọ́wọ́ báyìí now. Right? So you can use it in, it makes sense. So now let's go further in this video as we talk about lower, to have hand, also can be in a sarcastic mood. Lower, ni owo means to have hand. It can also mean that, hey, kí lò ń ṣe? What are you doing? Show lower ni. Don't you have hand? That means, can't you process it? Can't you do it? Right? In that form. Then what about when we then say lower si? That's where we're going in this video. Lower si. See, the word si is to or in, right? So if you say ṣé o lọ́wọ́ sí nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe, that means, do you have hand in what they do, what they did, right? So to have hand in something, to be involved in something, to be part of something, to partake in something, is to lower see the thing. So is your hand there? Are you part of it? Show lower see. Me o lower see, I'm not part of it. I'm out of it, right? So lower see, that means to have your hand in something, is lower see. Only láti lower see nǹkan tí a fẹ́ ṣe ní ọ̀la o. That means you have to partake in what we want to do tomorrow. You have to have hand in what you want to do tomorrow. You have to be involved in what we want to do tomorrow, right? So that is lower see. Lower see. Show my lower see. Would you have hand in it? All right. So can you give me 5 sentences that has lower see in it? Boom.
eayoruba.com